Now let's take a look at the audio option inside CapCut. Inside the audio panel, you'll find multiple categories such as import, music, sound effects, and copyright. In the your favorite. From audio panel, you can browse CapCut's music library and choose by gender, mood, or style like cinematic, ambient, upbeat, or calm. You'll also find a wide variety of sound effects including whooshes, clicks, impacts, transitions, ambient backgrounds. These are great for building atmosphere and giving your edit more life. Just preview what you like and then add it to your favorite or to your timeline. Once your audio clips are placed, you can adjust the volume, fade in or fade out for smoother transition. Layer multiple audio tracks to build a richer sound.